Pop that.
Hello, thank you for giving me your time. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. Whacked out drivers in the Nati. And man, take a look at this. This is a blonde lady. I don't know if it's an older lady, if it's a young woman driving. Literally almost hits us head on because she starts her turn way too early, and literally almost hits the front of our vehicle, and you can see her swerve at the very last second to avoid from hitting us. Now here's the clip in slow motion, and just look how she is coming straight at us. Literally straight at us, and at the last second she swerves to miss us, and look how close she comes to clipping the front of our vehicle. That's insane. She's literally coming across that parking lot with her vehicle halfway. Unbelievable. You know, and if she would have hit us, you know, she probably would have said, well, she was pulling in and we hit her. But yet, we got this dash cam footage that would show, A, she took her turn way too early, and she was coming in the wrong lanes. She was trying to enter the Kroger's parking lot through the exit lanes. As you can see, we're the car on the left. There's a car to our right also. It's just unbelievable. In a hurry to go Krogering. Are you kidding me right now? I mean, is there some crazy sale going on at Kroger or something that you're going to almost hit a car head on? And if you notice, as she gets past our vehicle, she is actually cutting off a car. That's the reason why she's coming in at an angle like this, folks. Watch, as soon as her car gets out of the picture, you'll see the other car come driving by right there. It's like, really? Kroger's must have some super sale going on, because this just makes absolutely no sense at all. Yet another video showing why you need to have a dash cam in your vehicle, because this is just absolutely insane. And I want to use some other choice words, but I'm keeping this video clean because, I mean, she had no regard for anybody else around her whatsoever. Just going to cut through the parking lot, you know. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable. And they don't have a tag on the front of their vehicle, which also you're supposed to have in Ohio. This is the bulldozer. Drive safe, and I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming. And he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right-hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run a red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right, just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light, and the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe. And remember, like I said in this video, you know, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe. And I'm out of here.
Floor, just a rebel on your own on a bed too.